What's up, everybody? My name is LG Streams, and with my good friend here, Free Puppy 4, we are going to be playing Content Warning. I know we're a little late to the game, but let's get into it. No intro needed.
There we go.
It's about time. Come check this sign down here. Go down to the old world. Film scary. Upload to SpookTube. Go viral with money symbols.
Here comes the money. Money, 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 money.
I got the camera.
Let's start.
Do you? Oh, here. You be the film guy.
Alright,
I already have a flashlight. And you have an inventory. Alright, film me for a second.
1 second, I gotta pick up my flashlight that's now mysteriously stuck on the ground.
It's right here.
I can't pick it up. There we go.
Alright, you're gonna film. We're gonna film the intro. Intro time. Alright, come over. You ready?
Alright, and we're going.
Hey everybody! My name is LC Streams, and we're here in this abandoned building. And when we are done here, you will either be shitting our pants or I will do it for you. We're going in!
Alright, I cut. Alright. Let's do this.
If you see something, use your own judgment for filming.
I know. Record spooky things for SpookTube. Gotta get 3K views. Gotta get all the views.
We gotta get all the views so we can get the bitches! Bitches and Monet! Oh! 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 Here we go. Hey! Oh! Behind you! There's a snail! Behind you! Behind you! You! Let him go! Let him go! You evil demon! Get this on camera! It's raping you! Hey! Hey! Hey, you little ass! Film this shit! What are you doing?
I'm trying!
Hey! 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 Film me! Hey! Hey! I'm shitting myself! Run! Run! Go! Ah! Oh, there's a two! Oh, Gary! Gary's got thick cheeks! Ah!
Oh god. I have to run. Oh god. Ow! Oh! I'm being shot! Oh my god! What do I do? Help! Help! Somebody help me!
Film yourself!
Oh god! Oh god! What do I do?
Oh, what the hell is that thing?
I can't see what's going on! Ah!
Did we keep the film for that?
Oh, we got hospital bills.
What? Do we not get to see that film?
Oh no, we have to go down there and find it
Oh.
tomorrow.
Well, that was horrible.
I don't know what grabbed me.
It was like some claw on the ceiling. I'll be the camera guy next time.
I really wanted to see that. Oh, hold on. Watch this. Hold on, get out of your bed. Oh, hold on.
What are you doing?
I didn't hit the right button.
Oh, are you trying to... What are you up to? Oh my god! I exit! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! We got a demon! Oh my god, he's being possessed. Oh my god.
Dude.
Alright, we gotta find that film.
Alright, 2 days left to get 3K views.
Alright.
Alright, we got a new cam. You record this time.
Gary really fucked us up.
Alright, hold on, record this. We're going down to find the lost footage of the ancient underground. Let's do it.
Back at it again in the wrong hood! Ah! My bad!
Alright, we have to go back to where...
It's right there.
died.
It's right there. You died right here. Your camera's right there.
I hear something.
Your camera's right there on the ground.
Oh. Alright. We found the lost footage!
Oh my god! Oh yeah, boys! Oh, okay.
Alright.
Oh, we got a bar. We're about to get wasted!
Just watch the scene
Ah!
now
Ah!
that we know.
What the hell's that thing?
What is that?
It's a giant red light. Yo! It's a robot dog! Oh my god! AI! Ah! Back at it again! Oh my god!
Oh, that's a... Oh, that... Oh. Oh, Lord.
Get my camera and go!
Are you dead?
Yeah, I died. I died like
no.
right over there.
Oh, God. Hold on. Oh,
It's right there on the ground. Right there, right there.
Right where?
I don't know exactly.
Oh, God. I am not getting shot.
Oh, there's my body.
Oh. Oh, no. He died. There's nothing I can do about it.
Film me and be like, look at this asshole.
Look at this guy. Freaking Peter Griffin.
He's calling. We got Gary. Right there behind you. Look, right there behind you.
I gotta leave. Leave this wretched place.
Behind you.
Oh, sup? Oh, what are you? Ah! Ah!
Hit the
Oh. What the hell is that?
You're about to fall off the edge.
What? No!
Get in there and quickly. Hit the door.
No! Alright, well, we're gonna leave. Help! I'm locked in here with it!
All right, let's see this.
Hold on, one more.
Hold on. Film both of us. Hit it. Like and
Because of
subscribe.
tribulation, we made it out of there. And there's all the film.
Let's see it.
We gotta put both of them in.
I don't have it.
I know. Alright, drop. Alright, you grab the disc. Alright, and here's the broken one. That it's extracting.
It's extracting. I got the CD.
Alright, take the disc. Alright, there goes the other one. Oh, my hand! My hand! Ah!
Oh my god! He broke his hand.
Help! 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 No, I'm like, oh, it's like, oh, okay, there we go. Alright. I think we do the
Wait,
broken
where do we? How do we see this?
The TV. Oh, I'll do mine first. The broken one.
Yeah,
Ready?
hit it.
Hey everybody! My name is LC Streams and we're here in this abandoned building. And when we are done here, you will either be shitting our pants or I will do it for you.
Oh, here we go. Hey! Oh, behind you! There's a snail! Behind you!
He's raping you! Hey! 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 Help me! Hey! Hey! I'm shitting with...
There's two, Gary.
Oh, there's a two! Oh, Gary! Gary's got big cheeks!
Oh. What are you?
Ouch, beef.
That is
That is really good.
beautiful.
Alright, my turn.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna actually save that.
Yeah, me too.
Alright. Close video.
Alright.
Your turn.
Alright.
Going down to find the lost footage.
I wonder
Oh,
if Beef's a good
ancient
friend.
underground.
You're not really.
Let's do it.
Back at it again in the wrong hood! Ah! My bad!
Alright. We found the lost footage.
Oh my god! Oh yeah, boys! Oh, okay. Oh, we got a bar. We're about to get wasted!
What is that?
It's a giant red light! Yo! It's a robot dog! Oh my god! AI! Ah! Back at it again! Oh my!
We just watched a man get shot dead. Oh, oh lord. He died. There's nothing I can do about it. Look at this guy. Freaking Peter Griffin.
He's right there behind you.
I gotta leave. Leave this wretched place. Oh, sup? Oh, what are you? Ah! Ah!
Clumsy.
Clumsy.
Oh. What the hell is that? Oh,
You're
God.
about to fall off the edge.
Help! I'm locked in here with it.
Hit it.
3,000 tributes.
Like and subscribe!
We made it out of there.
That was great. We gotta get like we got a few more views. Back at it again in the wrong hood. All right, let's do this.
Alright.
Let's do this.
I'm camera guy.
Camera guy.
Alright. I also pointed. Alright. I got a flashlight. Let's do this.
Hey guys, we're back here. Oh yeah.
You just make sure we don't make the intros too long.
I only said that.
I know. Whee!
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Big and abandoned.
Being abandoned.
This is exactly where you get diddled.
You get diddled.
Great.
Oh yeah, we got Gary.
Gary.
Show us your cheeks. Oh you almost got me, Gary. Ah, what is that?
What is that?
I don't know. Help me! Hey! You idiot! It's got me in the fishing hook! Oh my god!
Oh! You stay back! Oh, Lord! Oh, ow! Oh, no. No, Stay
Get
back,
the camera!
Gary.
You need the camera more than anything.
Oh, Lord. No, no, run. Ow.
You need the camera!
Oh, I'm being real! It got me a fishing rod! Ah! Ah! No, we cannot fail! I will not fail.
You need to get that camera. Go!
Go.
Film yourself and go!
Oh, Lord, have mercy. Oh,
Lead him down here so you can escape.
got me in the fishing rod. What do I do? Oh, Lord. What the?
Ring around the rosy.
Gary, stay back!
You're stuck. That's a dead end.
Dead end.
I have no clue where I'm going. I am so very lost. Okay. Gotta go back. What is that? Oh, that's the guy. Oh no. Oh, he's got me in the rod. Oh no.
There's your escape.
Gotta juke him out.
No,
Gotta juke
go
him
left.
out.
No, back. Go left.
Run away.
Right there. Run up the stairs.
Oh,
Go.
I fell the stairs, but he's in. I got him in. I'm in his rod. Oh.
Well, that was a failure.
Ew.
Few people ever
Very few people.
engaging enough. They watched us died 5 times.
Never got over it. But then you realize it was only a bad dream.
Really? We're trying again.
Oh great, it redid my face.
All right, you're the intro now.
It's time to go in the bell for the first time ever, definitely. And we will not fail.
You guys have never seen us before.
We're totally new.
We're different.
Alright. What?
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
I say we go up this way. We get glowing orbs. They're defying gravity. I'm not finding them.
What is that noise?
What was that? What was that?
I do not think we're alone, chat. It's just a theory.
I'm gonna find the creature. New objective, find the creature.
Yo, we got a bone!
A bone? I'm gonna pick it up.
Look at him with the bone.
Got some bone. Got some spare ribs.
Ah!
What's going on?
I don't know.
I can hear the creature again.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Go!
Spider!
Oh yeah!
No. No. In the catacombs.
Where did you say we are? The Underdark? Catacombs?
Oh. Hey, do you want to get some good content? Here.
What are you gonna do?
Whee!
Oh my god! Is he alive? He's alive! Yeah! Ow! I'm alright!
Now what?
I don't know. We're down here. Holy balls.
Back up. I also gave you my flashlight.
We gotta find our way back up there. Oh, here we go. Oh, what's this? Yo, what do we have here?
It says goo ball. That is not a ball.
That's a canister.
Alright, I got it. It says press to activate.
Yo, we found a goo ball! What's it gonna do?
Oh no!
Oh,
Oh.
thought it was gonna
It is a
explode.
goo ball. Oh, it's to trap monsters. I wasted it.
Alright, we gotta find a monster and get our way back up. I went up. There's a ramp.
I knew there was a ramp. I thought you went left.
I think it's a little eerie that we haven't found any creatures.
Well, we only got 14% left. Ah! Ah! Help! Help!
What do I do? Oh, you dropped the camera.
Cause I'm gonna die.
Gonna die.
It's right there.
Right there.
Yeah, it won't let me pick it up.
This might be the end for me. Film this.
Film this.
I can't pick the camera up. It won't pick up. Yeah, I can't pick it up.
You're serious.
Yeah, you're just being eaten alive. Oh, I can pick it up now.
Tell my story.
He's dying up there. Oh, there he goes. Poor man.
How much you got left?
How much you got left?
None.
All right, get back to the truck.
Back to the truck.
And where might
Just
that
go
be?
up. Just keep going up.
Keep going up.
If there's a way to go up, keep going up.
Ah! I don't know what that is. I don't care. What is that? Oh God! I can't jinx myself. Okay, there's blue. Oh, the bell! The bell! Oh, the bell!
All right.
All right.
It's fine.
Watch as no one watches this.
No one watches this.
Well, at least there's only one camera.
And yet again, I am victorious. They cannot beat me.
All right.
All right.
At least a handed gets stuck this time. Alright.
All right. Let's see this.
Video.
We're here today. Me and my best friend. Not really. He's a little racist. We're going to film some scary shit.
Let's do this.
Where did you say we are? The Underdark? Catacombs?
Here.
What are you gonna do?
Whee!
Oh my god!
Hey, it's I'm okay.
Is he alive? He's alive!
I'm alive.
Ah! Oh! I'm alright! Holy balls. Yo, what do we have here?
It says goo ball. That is not a ball.
That's a canister. Yo, we found a goo ball! What's it gonna do?
Oh! Oh! No!
Oh,
Oh!
thought it was gonna explode.
Oh, it's to trap monsters.
Help! Help!
Look at
Tell
him.
my story.
He's dying up there. Oh. Oh, there he goes. Poor man.
I'll take it. God damn that demon. You see this house? You see this farmland? I want to go live in some creepy, dilapidated building. Because it's a mood. Huh? You're muted.
I said a bit long.
It's a bit long. Yeah.
That's what she said.
I've been told.
No, the intro. Oh no, this is where I was running for my life.
Oh, it just started us here.
Just different area. What is that?
There's some creepy noises, chat. What do you see?
Through the gaps in the wood, I see like two yellow eyes. It kind of looks like eyes.
Let me see. What do we see in here? Uh-oh.
It's on the other side.
Yo.
Oh. It's a lamp.
Ah!
Super dark over here.
Don't forget to buy our merchandise! The old world.
Maybe we made it back to the blue.
Oh, yeah. There's 104 days of summer vacation stuck in my head. Oh, it's AI again. Yo! It's AI dog! Ah! AI dog shots fired! Did it murder him? Oh, balls! Ah! Oh! Shots fired! Shots fired! By that thing! Look at that motherfucker! Ha! Sup, motherfucker? Alright, I gotta find my way to the truck. What is that? Oh no, it's a Gary! It's Gary! Oh, you bitch! Gary, you ass! Oh, I'm on such low health. I know, I see him. Okay, there's this big lamp. I don't even remember. We had to have been down more. What the hell is that thing? I am being chased by a ghost! Help! I am requiring you to drop the weapon! Bitch don't want to play with me. Wow, that bitch was flying. I'm running away, I'm running away! Running away! I'm being chased again. I know, I see it, and then there's a Gary. Do you mind? Balls, I don't even know where I am. Chat, I am lost. Oh yeah, there's his body, there's your body. Alright, chat, he's dead. I found his body. At least I'll give him a funeral. Oh. Oh, this was the way. I think I can make it. I don't think so. No, I don't think it was now. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, I got you. There's the bell. All right. subscribe! I just barely made it! I did. Oh! Woo! MLG, bitch! All right. Dude, did that all on little to no health. Your mic.
I got 2 tapped by that.
All right, let's go see this clip.
Let's go see this clip.
This has got to get us 3,000 views. You see this house? You see this farmland? I want to go live in some creepy, dilapidated building! Cause it's a mood! There's some creepy noises, chat. What do we see in here? Uh-oh.
It's on the other side.
Yo! Ah! Don't forget to buy our merchandise! Yo! It's AI Dog! Ah! AI Dog, shots fired! Did it murder him? Almost!
See my flashlight roll down.
Shots fired! Shots fired! By that thing! Look at that motherfucker! Ha! Sup, motherfucker? What is that? Oh no, it's a Gary! It's Gary! I'm on such low health! What the hell is that thing? I am being chased by a ghost! Help! I am requiring you to drop the weapon! Bitch don't want to play with me. Wow, that bitch was flying. I'm being chased again. Do you mind? Chat, I am lost. Alright, chat, he's dead. I found his body. At least I'll give him a funeral. Like and subscribe! I just barely made.
We got less views than the last one.
That was great footage.
That was great.
Woo! Don't die this time, you.
Me?
Alright, we need a video of at least like 2,700 views.
Which means that
Get a
we
flashlight.
need to do- you took the only one.
I don't have one.
Well, then you knocked one over into the grass then. Maybe you did.
Oh, let's go!
Alright.
Welcome back to our channel.
Alright, we're in another different spot.
If it keeps putting me in this goddamn sewers.
Okay, there's the balloon.
Yo, we already got some. I saw him over there.
What does it look like?
I have no idea, but it's right behind here. Alright, we're gonna jump scare a monster. Habooga booga! Oh, it's a snake!
Oh, it's a coil.
Ah! Ah!
Oh, it's on you! It's on you!
Ah! Help me! Help me! Oh my god, it's on me! Help! I'm jumping down! Oh!
Oh, it's still on you.
Film this! I've dropped my
Oh,
camera!
now it's it's on me. It's on me. We're tethered.
What is this?
What is this?
I don't know. Hold on. Try and like stretch it. Stretch it. Come on. Is it like doing damage?
No, it's not even doing damage!
Damage.
So what? It's just making us play chained together.
Great!
Great.
Good lord.
Lord.
Great. So now we gotta stick together. And we don't really got a choice now.
Yeah, I know, right? What is that noise?
I don't like what I'm hearing.
I don't like it either.
Alright, let's find the ramp. Let's go together to find the ramp. What are we doing?
I don't know. I'm going this way. Let's go. I don't like what I'm hearing.
I don't like it either.
Oh, here's a ramp. Oh my God, it's that guy again.
What guy?
Oh my God, he's gonna hook us.
Run! Oh,
If he hooks you, he hooks me. This way, run. Run this way. Okay.
Flashlight out of battery.
Oh my God, there he is. Go.
Oh, it got me. No. Help.
I'm trying.
Go on with the power of 2.
With the power of 2. You can't hold us forever.
Go.
To the ramp. It's right
Head for the
here.
ramp.
Asshole.
Oh, it got me again.
Quick.
With the power 2.
Come on, Chad, believe.
Alright, go.
We're going. All right.
It's following us.
All right, we better hurry. I don't like the noises.
How close behind us is it?
I don't know. Who cares? Running. Oh my God! It's a whisk. It's a whisk.
A whisk! Oh, an actual whisk!
We're dead. Barely alive. Okay.
When you said whisk, I didn't think you meant an actual whisk. No, you actually meant a full-on whisk.
I was not lying.
Oh, the fishing rod. Oh, I've been fished. Okay, I got.
We gotta juke him out. We gotta. Oh, the ramp. This way. Oh, the tether. Quick.
Tether's off.
Get to the ramp. Run.
Okay.
Oh my God, he's right there.
I got fishy. I got rotted. No, it's pulling me.
Oh my God, he's swinging like a rope swinger. Oh my God, he's sprinting.
I'm being hung.
Okay, we gotta run. Oh, he got me. Okay, let's go. We're going this way. My balls.
No, jump for your life. You stay away from him.
You evil demon. Ah!
Hey,
Oh, I flew.
are you alive?
No, I'm long dead.
Oh no.
What are you gonna do? Shoot me?
Oh God, he got me.
Oh my God, you got a spider.
Spider, where?
Look behind
I
you.
needed that film. What?
Oh my God.
What you see? She died. What happened?
Something on 4 legs. Holy balls.
You failed to gain popularity as a content creator.
Your dreams were crushed. Yeah, so was my ass. That was content warning. If you want to see more, like and subscribe. I don't like doing this end bit. It's really cringe. If you like this video with free Puppy 4 or beef, in the meantime, keep your pants dry and your dreams wet. And remember, hugs not drugs. Deuces!